New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania until 9 p.m. At 8:13 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Danileville to Laureldale, moving northeast at 100 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, law enforcement reported a tree down in Perry Township in Berks County at 7:44 p.m.
Whoa!
Impact,
Going
damage to roofs,
100?
siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Bethlehem,
Let me
Emmaus,
see the
Northampton,
script. Hold up.
Hellertown, Kutztown, Slatington, Fleetwood, Laureldale, Walnutport, Compton, Leesport, Shoemakersville, Valley, Bechtelsville, Lyons, Lenhartsville, Ness, Coffeetown, and
Holy
Zionsville.
crap!
This
Moving
includes the
northeast
following
at
highways:
100
northeast
miles per
extension
hour.
between mile
Let's see the
markers
other
48
ones.
and 68. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers
Here's
38
this
and
one.
71. For your protection, move to an interior room on
This
the
is
lowest
going
floor.